What up, YouTube? What's Gucci? LT Trading Pop B. In this video, like the description said, I'm going to talk about how to make $400 trading Amazon. So, like everybody know, Amazon Prime, they dominate, the world. Like it's truly the everything store. I got this hoodie from Amazon. I got my bear conditioner from Amazon. I got my oil sheen that I put in my afro from Amazon. So I actually got the shorts that I'm wearing from Amazon. So Amazon is a company that a lot of, I would say, beginners, they want to trade a reputable company, a company they know that's not going to go out of business. And Amazon is, I think, one of the perfect beginner trades. So I'm going to show you guys on how to make $400 in 30 days with Amazon. So let's go into it. So I'm going to share my screen. I'm trading on the Tasty Works platform. So this is a little bit about me. I was on the trade desk at Wells Fargo. So I was licensed, had a Series 7. So when people used to call in with self-directed accounts, I would place the trades for them, whether they wanted to do a mutual fund, whether they wanted to trade stocks, whether they wanted to purchase a CD, if they wanted to trade options. So all things pretty much investments. They did everything except future contracts. So I'll just go back into it so you guys can see it from the beginning. I'm in the Tastyworks platform. So once you're in the trade tab, I like to do a vertical put to sell puts. So you just click go. And I like to go out 45 days. So just that's a pro tip. Um, Theta starts to decay around 56 days, but the optimal time to sell options is 46 days. Not to get too technical, I want to keep it relatively simple. So right here, you guys can see the probability of us making money on that trade. And okay, let's see right here. Let me get it. I like to keep the strikes super close. Okay, here we go. So Amazon is trading at 3168 and boom. So I would say I have some other positions on right now. So I'm just doing this for the example of the video, but I might actually um put this put this trade on. Like I'm shooting this video 6 o'clock Central Time, so this won't get filled into the morning. But I might actually do this video, do this actual trade myself. But um 45 days, I'm selling the 30-10, and then I'm buying to close the spread at 30.05. So I like to keep the spread super, super tight. So you can see here, I'm risking 330 to make 170. So I'm gonna get to the how you can make $400. So you can see if you wanted to do this trade, you would hit send, and as you can tell right here, it says like this order will not begin until the next trading day. So you see I have enough margin to actually place this trade. The commission is going to be $2 on Tastyworks. So I'm going to be getting $170, and then I'm risking 332 and 42 6 cents. So the probability of me making this money is 66%. If I manage the trade at 50%, so half of the 170, I have a 75% chance to do that. So let's pull up the calculator. And so we'll see the 170, and we'll do divided by two. So if I manage to trade at 50%, I'm gonna make the $85. And then let's multiply that times five. And that's how we get the $400. So this is a way where you can make $400 in let's say I like to keep the trade on to right, let's say 20 days to expiration. So maybe around like 3 weeks, 2, 3 weeks to make $400. And then also that if you did 5 contracts, that's gonna be the 332 times five. So that trade will cost you $1,600. So we giving some serious game. Like with this trade, this is how hedge fund managers trade. This is how institutional investors trade. This is how I trade. This is a put spread. So like there's a lot of different technical facets that went into this trade. Obviously, where we're trading a liquid security in Amazon. We're keeping the spread super tight, right? So we're if you just did one contract, you're only risking 330 to make the 175. And if you trade at 50%, we'll do the return on capital. So we'll take the 170 divided by 2, and we get 85 divided by how much we're risking, which is the 330. And now we're talking about 25%. So if I was to tell you you could make a 25% return in 30 days, you would look at me like, yo, you lying. You straight line, but like it is what it is. And a lot of investors who trade options, they do these returns month in and month out, but they don't really talk about it, you know. So this is free advice that I'm giving away on YouTube. So with that being said, you just multiply your 85 initial credit times 5 and you get your 425. So I wanted to be super transparent. None of the videos is going to be clickbaity. Whatever the title is, I'm going to talk about. And also click the link below if you want other underlines that you want to trade with trading strategies. Obviously, I've been trading since 2014. I started with Thinkorswim. I'm gonna do a master class on how to combine options trading with options and futures. It's gonna be under $300. So if you guys want a more in detailed analysis of walkthroughs with different trades, and we'll go through the mechanics, and we'll also talk about like the mindset and the mentality of how to be a successful trader, because it's like I would say like two or three different components. Obviously, it's the domain skill, knowing what to trade, knowing what strategies, having the discipline to stick to it, and then also knowing what to do if you start seeing it right on the screen, if you start like if you see negative, if you know the trades are going to get you a little bit, knowing like how to have that fortitude to stick in there. But I will go into that in the master class. But this is some free tips so you can just trade Amazon a one standard deviation away, keep that spread tight. So this was I did a vertical put spread, and I'm over and out. So LT trading Poppy, I want to see you guys profit. Over and out, profiters.